Hey everybody, so this video I'm doing a voiceover here because the audio is complete garbage and I can't just pick the lock again because I screwed it up after the video. This is a lock, it's an Avis 2670, it was locked against a wall on a storage unit so I couldn't pick it, so I did cut it with the angle grinder and then you put a screwdriver into the shackle there and just hit it to pop it out of the hasp after you cut part of the housing off. And it messed something up inside where the shackle doesn't have very much travel. So it picked pretty easily, and you'll see that it's picked. And then after the video, I tried to take a screwdriver and try to pry some stuff out of the way to try to get it to where the shackle would travel how it's supposed to, and screwed the lock up now where now it's unpickable. So that's why I couldn't just reshoot it. So see, it's picked here. That's just as far as the shackle is going to go. And then after the video, I'm jamming a screwdriver in there and just messed it all the way up. So um, wanted to show the lock is kind of a cool lock. You know, it's good for stock lock Sunday. And so that's pretty much it. The rest is just me looking down the hole, seeing what it's catching on. And like I said, after the cameras were off, I took a screwdriver and really went to work on it and just screwed it up even more. So I'm just going to end it here. So it's this crappy edition of Stock Lock Sunday. And we will talk to everybody later.